Do periods mean girls should avoid school, sports, exercise, or normal daily activities? Many teenage girls hear confusing advice like don't run, don't play sports, just stay in bed. But what does science actually say? Today, we will explain how teenage girls can safely and comfortably manage school, sports, and daily life during periods. A menstrual period is a natural part of puberty. During menstruation, the uterus sheds its inner lining, causing bleeding for a few days. This process does not make the body weak or unclean. Most girls can continue their regular routines during periods, including going to school, studying, walking, exercising, playing sports. The key is understanding your body and taking proper care. Many girls feel nervous about periods at school. Common worries include stains on clothes, pad leakage, pain during class, embarrassment. Here are practical tips. Carry extra sanitary pads in your school bag. Wear comfortable underwear. Change pads every 4 to 6 hours. Drink enough water. Use darker colored uniforms or sweaters if it makes you feel more confident. If cramps occur, gentle movement and hydration often help. Periods should never stop education. Missing school repeatedly due to menstruation can affect confidence and learning. Can girls play sports during periods? Yes, in most cases, sports and exercise are completely safe during periods. In fact, physical activity may help reduce cramps, improve mood, decrease stress, increase energy. Activities like walking, yoga, cycling, badminton, running, swimming can usually continue normally. Some girls may prefer lighter activity on heavy flow days, and that is perfectly okay too. Everybody feels different. Mild cramps during periods are common. This happens because the uterus contracts to shed its lining. To feel better, use a heating pad or warm water bottle. Stay hydrated. Get enough sleep. Eat nutritious food. Do light stretching or walking. But severe pain that prevents a school or daily life is not something to ignore. Medical advice may be needed if pain becomes extreme. Good menstrual hygiene is very important. During periods, change pads regularly. Wash hands before and after changing. Bathe daily. Bathing is healthy during periods. Dispose of pads properly. Wear clean, breathable clothing. Poor hygiene can increase discomfort and infection risk. Periods are natural. Cleanliness simply helps the body stay comfortable. Hormonal changes may affect emotions during menstruation. Some girls may feel irritable, emotional, tired, sensitive. This is normal. Teenagers need support, not teasing. Parents should encourage open conversation. Teachers should create safe environments. Boys should learn empathy and respect. Menstruation is part of human biology, not something shameful. Medical advice is important if pain becomes severe, bleeding is extremely heavy, periods cause fainting or dizziness, symptoms disrupt school every month, periods remain highly irregular for years. Professional guidance helps maintain healthy adolescent development. Periods should not stop teenage girls from learning, growing, exercising, or enjoying life. With proper hygiene, preparation, and understanding, most girls can continue school, sports, and daily activities safely and confidently. Growing up brings changes, but knowledge makes those changes easier to manage. In our next episode, we will discuss normal breast development during puberty and common worries teenage girls experience. Stay informed, stay healthy, stay confident.